In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of permanently deleting your Google account on your Android device. If you're sure you want to take this step, let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and open the Settings app. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down on the notification panel and tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and look for Accounts or User and Accounts. Tap on it to see the list of accounts linked to your device. Find the Google account you want to delete and tap on it. This will take you to the account settings. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Remove Account. This action will unlink the account from your device, but it won't delete it permanently just yet. Confirm the removal by tapping Remove Account again. Once this is done, go back to your web browser. Open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Log into the Google account you want to delete. Once logged in, click on Data and Personalization from the left-hand menu. Scroll down the section labeled Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data. Click on Delete a service or your account. Select Delete your account and follow the prompts. You may need to enter your password again for security. Finally, follow the on-screen instruction to confirm that you want to permanently delete your account. Once confirmed, all your data will be irretrievably deleted. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to permanently delete your Google account on Android.